Introducing ramp mode, the new Nug Smasher IQ. Ramp mode is it works on the home screen or the master extractor screen. You can simply put the surface area in this case 1.5 by 3 inches, gives you a 4.5 square inch surface area. Then you can add the seconds, you hit the ramp mode button, you put a starting pressure in, you put an ending material pressure in, you put a starting temperature in, and you put an ending temperature in. And then you put a time period that you want both of those to range over. In this case, 360 seconds, 6 minutes. You simply hit start and the unit does the rest. You can see the temperature set for 120 degrees to start at, and the unit currently is 107, so the plates are heating up. Once they reach its 120 degrees, the plates will start moving. Once the target material pressure is reached, which is the number in the top right of the screen, 100, once that's reached, you'll see the actual material pressure in the bottom left of the screen. Once that reaches its target, the timer will start clicking off, and then it's a moving target over that time period. This is ramp mode. So those of you that are doing hash extractions or you're doing isolations, this is the absolute dream for you. So you could see the target pressure is changing over the span of time up in the top right. The temperature is changing over that same span of time in the center of the screen. And the material pressure and the temperature is maintaining where it's set to over that span of time. So the alchemists out there are going to be able to make some incredible product with this mode and the feature in the new Nug Smasher IQ. It's a great feature. We're super excited about this new machine and how it operates. We appreciate you watching and the dedication to our brand, the Nug Smasher. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and keep checking out the website nugsmasher.com and our authorized dealers. We always have new products coming out, lots of changes all the time. Now back to the ramp mode, you can see the material PSI is now all the way up to the 400, and the timer's down to the 60 seconds. The temperature's all the way up to 154, and the timer's still clicking down, as you can see. Once the time is achieved, it should be exactly at or real close to our targets. The plates will then release, and the ramp mode cycle is done. Thanks for watching.